student, today we are going to see English of Standard 5th from Term 2. The unit name is Hospitality. From this unit, we are going to see the supplementary to PGN. Let us see how the PGN helps the hunter. Come, let us move to the video session.
English Unit 1 Hospitality. In this unit, we are going to see the supplementary. The story name is 2PGN. Once they lived at 2PGN, they were friends. They spent their days looking for food. During afternoon, they could rest on their favorite place, that is, tree in the forest. Then they could sing and dance. Soon it could be night. They could lock their wings and go for the sleep. The two friend pigeon were sitting in their favorite place. One is the cock pigeon, the other one is the hen pigeon. They were in the favorite place in the forest. Meanwhile, the hunter is passing nearby. One day it was raining heavily in the forest. The animals ran to their home. Do you know which is the home for the animals? Is for birds, it's a nest. For lion, it's a den. In the forest, every animals went for their home. So, they did one of the hen pigeon. She ruffled her feathers and shook her body to remove the water. Because it was heavy rain, so the birds are wet. They shook their feathers to remove the water. She adjusted wings and perched on their tree and started waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain continued to pour heavily, but it was getting dark. She started to worry for her friend. She is never so late. I hope she will be safe, she whispered to herself. The rain is heavy. Let me wait in the tree till the rain gets stopped. Though the cock pigeon perched on the tree, he did not know where the bird catcher nearby, because the bird catcher or hunter is sitting near the tree. The bird catcher silently reached the pigeon and clamped it. Clamped, he got the pigeon and put it into the cage. The pigeon tried to fly and flutter in vain. The cock pigeon was tensed and fainted. The hunter put the pigeon in his cage and started to walk home. I should be home before the rain increases, he thought to himself. Because the rain was very heavy, let's see what the hunter is going to do with the cage. It started to rain heavily. Just then, the hen pigeon saw the bird catcher coming near the tree. In the cage, he had a cock pigeon. Who's that? It's a friend of hen pigeon. It was unconscious because it is fainted in the cage. Fear gripped the hen pigeon. Was it a friend? The bird catcher neared the tree. She had to hide, but he also wanted to closer to look see if it is a friend. She flew down to the lowest branch. Oh no, it is him. What shall I do now? Because my friend is there in the cage. I have to help my friend, worried the hen pigeon. The sky thundered and the bird catcher took cover under a tree. Looks like I have to wait till the rain stops, said the bird catcher to himself. Soon it stopped raining. The bird catcher wanted to leave, But it was too dark and late in the night. He could not walk anymore. So he thought he will stay there in the night and leave in the morning. But he was very wet and cold night it was. So he started to fire to keep himself warm. So he decided to collect the dry twigs. He could not find any dry twigs there. Twigs means it's a branches of trees. The pigeon in the cage woke up and tried to fly only for his wings to hit the cage. The pigeon which is there in the cage, he tried to fly, but he cannot fly because it is fainted. The hen pigeon started to cry. Her friend said, "Do not feel sad, dear, because the hunter need our help. He have a guest now. The man is shivering and hungry." The pigeon flew from the tree in search of dry twigs because we have seen the to keep himself warm he has to get a dry twigs. Now the pigeon is helping for the hunter to bring the dry twigs. He got 2 or 3 twigs at the time and made by the big heap of dry twigs. She got flintstone for the bird catcher to start the fire. The bird catcher was surprised by the hen pigeon. He made fire. "You are my guest. I have no food to give you. I will jump in this fire so that you can eat me." The bird catcher said, "Overwhelm him by the hospitality of the pigeon," because the hen pigeon helped the hunter. The hunter wants to help the pigeon, but he cannot help him. Now he is also in the toughest situation to help the pigeon. So he thought he caught the hen pigeon and stopped from her jumping into the fire. "Oh, kind bird, what do you want? I will help you in any way I can," said the bird catcher. "Please set my friend free. My life will be meaningless without him," replied the pigeon. The hunter was very much surprised by the hen pigeon. They were very good friends helping each other. Meanwhile, we also should help each other friends. After hearing the news of hen pigeon, the hunter, that is bird catcher, he opened the cage and set the pigeon free. The cock pigeon is very much happy now. The hunter said, "I was cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird again," said the bird catcher. He stayed the night there. In the morning, the pigeon got him nuts, fruits, seeds to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeon and walked away. Now both the pigeons were very much happy. They lived a long life. In this story, the pigeon helped the hunter and also he saved a own friend, that is who is very good friend of hen pigeon. Yes, the same like children, you also have a friend. We also should help each other. Not only our friends, we also should help our parents and neighbors, everybody. Yes, I hope you all understood about the story Two Pigeon. Thank you, students.